Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you like the videos on the channel. Today's video, which I found to be very simple, I show how to change the car remote key cell. I'd like to start by giving you a little review of this handy pocket tool kit with screwdrivers, which you can easily find in stores or purchase online. This is all-in-one 21-piece toolkit and the online purchase link is in video description. Let's move on to the video. I have the car remote key for Toyota Corolla and I will show that how easily you can change the cell. Open the car remote key case and take out the remote module from the case. You can see the small cell and number of the cell. You have to purchase the same cell model number from the market. Usually these kind of cell available in watch shop or other hyper super stores. Use the screwdriver and try to open remote module case. In my case, I need to purchase specifically CR 1623V cell. You can find many brand for CR 1620 cell like Panasonic, Toshiba, etc. I got the CR 1623V cell in Maxell. Easily insert the cell. Close the module case and put it back to key case and close it. Now you know that how can you change the car remote key cell. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.